I'm Keerthi. Welcome to the Keerthi. So it's a very impromptu vlog. అసలు ఆ vlog చేద్దామని కూడా అనుకోలేదు. But I thought, why not? Because ఇవాళ నేను ఈ ప్యూర్ బై ప్రియాంక వైటమిన్ సి ఫేస్ మాస్క్ ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. యాక్చువల్లీ నాకు లైక్ ఒక ఫేస్ రోలర్ ఆర్డర్ పెడితే దానికి శాంపుల్ కింద వచ్చింది అంతే, లైక్ ఫ్రీ శాంపుల్స్ అన్నమాట దాంట్లో. సో I think I should try this. I am very excited to try this, but it has a little bit of fragrance. So నాకు తెలియదు నా స్కిన్కి పడుతుందో లేదో కూడా. We just do something. మండట్లేదు. ఓకే మండట్లేదు, సో ఇట్స్ ఫైన్. చెప్పాను కదా నాకు ప్యాచ్ టెస్ట్ చేసుకోవడం చాలా బద్ధకం, బట్ ఇట్స్ ఓకే. Let's see how my skin keeps up with So that's great. I thought it would tingle my skin. కొన్ని ఫేస్ మాస్క్ ఏంటి ఎక్స్ట్రీమ్ టింగ్లింగ్ వచ్చేసి, సో అలాంటప్పుడు పెట్టుకోకూడదు కదా. సో ఇది మోస్ట్లీ ఇంకో 2-3 టైమ్స్కి వచ్చేసేటట్టుంది. See, look how much is there. Look at that. This smells good. Okay, this has a little bit like very. Okay, I'll meet you after 15 minutes. Bye. Hello guys, it's the evening. Oh my god, my rubber band. Okay, hello, it's the evening, so we are planning to make some noodles, and the new stock of noodles just arrived, like the millet noodles, which I already made a review of. Like I got the stock of 4, so let's roll. I'm gonna make this now, like the 1 packet now, so that we can have it for dinner. Well, we're gonna make this multi-millet noodles. First we need to boil the noodles, and I'm gonna use a pan. Is there any chance I could use a better one? Absolutely yes. Will I do it? No. That's keerthi. Well, in today's vlog, I know I've not spoken enough, so that's the reason I came out and I want to speak about a little bit about my haircut. You might have already noticed it by now by the short I posted yesterday on my YouTube and everything that yes, I did get a haircut because I was so frustrated about my hair. 2 days, 3 days back, like before, because it's too long and it was hard to manage, and I didn't know what to do for God's sake. Yes, I just didn't know what to do with that hair, so I had to get a haircut. But you know what? There's a small story. I thought of getting a straight lob, like that, without all these layers. But when I went there, I thought to myself, like, when you get the straight lob, all the weight will be in your ends, and when it grows a little bit, it looks very flat. Okay, like I don't get haircut that often. I get it like twice a year mostly, once every 6 months. So hair grows back so much till then in 6 months, right? So I don't want for it to look unfinished. Okay, so then I was like, okay, fine, let's get a shag, I thought. But I didn't wanted a shag from here. Generally shags would start from here, like the layers would start from here. But oh, like that is a difficult to manage because it this small layers would get into your eyes. They just flip into your eyes, flip up, and oh my god, it's so hard to manage. So that's the reason I did not get that. So I got layers, I mean like the shag body layers from here. If you can see, like, wait, yeah, from here. So it will look more cute, and it is looking more cute. At the end I realized, oh boy, I realized it looks like the Rachel's haircut from Friends season 1, and which I really like her haircut. I used to just drool over her haircut every time I watched her in season 1, and I really like that haircut. So I'm very pleasantly surprised that it looks very, very similar to that hair. And I did not show the inspiration picture. I did not have this in my mind, but I thought I saved it with me, like, for the inspiration pictures. But all I was thinking is to have layers from this. That's it. And it looks very similar to Resha's haircut. I'm gonna insert the picture here. And like, bro, yeah, I'm loving my hair since I'm just doing this. I'm just doing this dance all day like this. Like, no, it just turns like this. It just gives you a good, like, a wavy curl kind of thing. Until then, bye. Wow, my hair looks wow. Fun fact: even when I sleep and wake up, my if I do this dance, my hair looks the same. My hair is done. You don't need much to do the hair. That's the best thing ever. I need not put a lot of effort in my hair right now, so that's the best thing ever. Bye. Right now, and yeah, I want to embrace it till the time it grows back. Like, I know it's gonna grow back in a month or so. So till then, we're gonna embrace this new haircut. Please tell me in the comment section what you think of this new haircut. And also, if you like this video, please make sure you subscribe to this channel to watch more videos like this. And also, like this video if you like this video, and tell me if you want to see more vlogs from my side. I would definitely do it in the most systematic way. I know this is more like all over the place, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do it in a more systematic way. And I hope you like the cake and the millet noodles recipe also. It's not necessarily a recipe, but something I do. I'm not telling you this is a recipe from me. It's something I make for myself, and I enjoy the taste very, very much. And so that's about today's video. I'll meet you in another video this Thursday. Until then,